Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're going to create a cloud server on a netooze platform. Okay, step one. First, go to the top of your browser and type in netooze.com. Once you arrive at the website, there's 3 ways to do this. If you already have an account, you simply click login, enter your details, and you'll be logged into our platform backend. Alternatively, if you don't have an account, simply enter your email address here and click register and follow the steps. Or if you already have a Google account or GitHub account, you can click on one of these 2 buttons and you can log in via Google or GitHub. It will register you at the same time and then log you into the back end. For this video, I'm already logged into the back end through here, so I'm just going to click on the next tab that I already have open. And the first screen that I've come to is the vStack cloud. That's the screen I'm on, that's the tab I'm on, where it says create a cloud server. And just to repeat that, to get to this section, you simply click on vStack cloud and then click on server. So to create a server, which is kind of self-explanatory, you click on create server. You select your virtual server template. I'm going to select this one and select what type you want. Scroll down. This is where you select your data center. We've got a data center in Canada coming soon. I'm going to select our USA data center in New Jersey. Server configuration. So you can either select under the flexible plan or one of our fixed plans, where it's pre-configured settings. You just literally click on the one that you want. This one's pretty handy, the fixed plans, as it kind of, you can see it's been kind of set up for you, so you can kind of manage your budget through this route if you like. It's got optimal settings for each of these, and or flexible plan, which allows you to kind of tailor the server to your own likings. I'm going to go back to the fixed plans for this, and I'm going to select the $9.95 a month. That comes with 2 gigabytes and it's 1 core. Access preferences. The safest method is to provide a hash key. However, for this, I'm going to simply let the system generate a password for me upon when it creates a server. So the only real thing you have to enter here is a server name, and I'm gonna enter netooze, and I only want 1 server, so I'm gonna leave that on 1. You can create more than 1 at the same time if that is your wish. And so I think I'm ready to go here, so I'll simply click order, and it's starting the server creation process. As you could already see, we're already approaching, we're at 40%. It gives you the server details above here, so this is the server template that I've chosen. This is the server location, New Jersey. It gives you some of the configuration details, so 2 gigabytes, 1 CPU, 50 gigabyte SSD RAM, and that comes with 50 megabytes per second. So we're already at 55 to 80%, and there you have it. Server has been created. Just take you through some of the settings on this page. So again, once your server is created, you can go back to vStack, click on servers. It will provide you with the server list. So if you can create a new server, it will appear in this list right here, but I'm going to click back into the server we've just created. Okay. At the top here, you've got the server details. It's showing that the server's on. You've got a handy little button here. So if I were to click that, for example, it will bring you into a web console. So you can, this is the terminal, so you can basically log directly into the server from this terminal, which is quite useful. I'm going to go back to the server here. Okay. So on this tab, it shows you the performance of the server. You're not going to get much data at this stage because it's a new server, but as you can see, it's already started to populate various graphs. So you've got the CPU here, the volume, IOPS, and then download uploads here. Scrolling across back to connection where we were before, you can see here it's giving you an IP address for the server, login, password, and the template, and some useful details of how alternative ways to log into the server provided right here. So scrolling across to settings, this is giving an overview of the server configuration. Clicking on this button here allows you to modify the server configuration. You can increase CPU and RAM. Scrolling down, this is giving you an overview of the volume. You can add additional volume here. And scrolling down further, the public shared network, IP address and MAC address, and the various setup instructions for the connected networks and mounting instructions for volumes are provided to the right hand side. Scrolling across to actions, you can turn off the server from here or reboot the server, and you can also delete the server, but I'm not going to click on that. Snapshots, very useful. This will allow you to restore the server with all settings. Take a snapshot, and it's not intended to be long-term storage, and you can read more about snapshots in the guidance notes here, and that's, you click on that to add them. Recovery, boot media selection. Okay, so booting from a recovery image allows you to repair your VM from the file system and configuration errors, kernel mismatch, and other failures. And there's useful information that is provided for that. So you can boot from a recovery image or system volume here. Running cost of finance basically gives you the cost per month for the server, as well as other financial statistics once you've had the server running for a while. And the last tab for the server is task history, and the first task we have here is us creating the server, which was created 6 minutes ago now, in 43 seconds, which is fairly fast. So let's go back to the server list page. Thank you for listening. Please do follow our YouTube channel. We'll be providing more useful videos going forward. If you want us to provide a video in a particular area, please do let us know in the comments. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.